Hi, today is 28th of January 2018. I'm the owner of page on Facebook, Universe My. At the moment, I'm in Koh Tao, Thailand, and I would like to show you the part of Koh Tao. I'm in the jungle, or we can call the tropical forest of Koh Tao. Another beautiful part of Koh Tao is here. We hear the sounds of boat because we're really close to the sea or the ocean on the right side. That's why we can hear that. This road is used to be around the island to Mango Bay, but now they closed and it turned to the jungle. Most of the animal here is just the lizard, I would say. Some bird. I would say most is about white chicken. It's a lot. Usually I'm walking with the dog, but today I don't know where are them. It's gone. Now this is the end of the dirt road. Yeah. And come to the road. Yeah, normal. Ooh. Now this is the end of the road. Hope you have fun.